Welcome back to the next segment, you know, your regular evening video. It has been about a week and couple days you have not got an evening video. You don't know the whole festive season cause all of that. But we not doing a whole long talking. But you know what they do? It is so easy. Remember, me I go up like age, up like age, up like age, up like age. You know what they do? It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV, and go over favorited. That's the new app where them did say I go take over for TikTok. So you don't know TikTok put on hold by Donald Trump to review the whole situation. We still don't know where gonna happen. But for now, January 19th wouldn't be no cut-off date anymore until we hear what Donald Trump have to say. So go follow me over the same way. Don't let us get caught in the rush. And follow me on TikTok also. Life is a Mission TV. Favorited Life is a Mission TV. TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Alright? When I don't hear the plan, I'm telling us I'm out for the little entertainment part of the channel where we're gonna make that be a feature of the channel where we do little entertainment. A week time we keep a little own party and stuff. You know, the days will be announced and the time will be announced. Alright? And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy, they now want 24 subscribers. 24 subscribers to reach that 1,000. Come on, we could do it. We can do it. We know we can do it. Alright? Life with Gabby and Chevy, the link in the comment section, pin. And the cash app is there, $ charms and trends. When you gift me, I used to give back to the needy and not the greedy, as you can see. Not many of you asked for 2,000 views on the video after the 12 food bag give back for the Christmas. And I don't think it reached 1,000 yet, it just reached must about 800 and odd. And this is why the people them have to say I just mix up we want. And I want to pass we want. Because I want to make them feel away there. Because when the positive things do out there, if you shut them up, man, run up the views same way. Make them know say boy it's not just mix up. We involve with a channel and we love the channel, so we support the person of the host of the channel. And we support whatever they do. So with that mix up, negative, positive, whatsoever, we support them once we see it is okay for us to support. And what in positivity would you not see something in to support? You understand? But it still not reach 1,000 views yet. But that's how it's set up. You don't know. Everybody take on to them own liking. And remember, Charms and Trends. Please go over on Instagram. Check out the Instagram business page of Charms and Trends. That's charmed _and_ trends. And Instagram, when you see the page, anything you see on the page and you want it, you go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Or if you see anything you want customized, because you can get anything that you see, you get it customized to your liking, whether the color to your color you want, or you want it customized where you have your picture, your child picture, your husband, your wife, whatsoever, your mother, whatsoever you want on it, your anniversary picture you want it. Yes, anything from tumblers, water bottles, wine cups, tea cups, bracelet, accessories like key rings, phone cases, anything, you get it customized at affordable price and shipping. And it's quality. No knockoff. Not the way you buy say boy, yes, this can keep a cube of ice, a tray of ice the whole day at work. And when you reach by the time you left your yard and reach at work, it melt out. No. Keep it all for your 2 morning. Once you caulk it. And if you even left it open, worse most only live in a country where cool. That even worse. It serve you longer. Your hot tea, the same thing. As you walk out of your house, it get cold. No. Once you lock it properly, you know it go. Your tea stay as warm as possible. Because you don't want your tea hot. You have to it don't make no sense. You want your tea warm, so when it go down your stomach, and you feel it up on your stomach, you feel the warmness, and that you want. You don't want hot tea where you have to cool, because you still have to cool it because you can't drink it hot. And those things are quality things like that. Not the little knockoff one you want to buy here, there, and everywhere. I might want to compare a little $5 extra. No. Anyway, we don't know. Them your people you promise you change to 2025 or them are going to stay away. Whether change or stay away. But them promised. But me don't know what cause all of this, you know. Because instead of the woman stay away for a couple weeks or days as what she promised, she come back out here even worse than how she is before she said that. And I don't know what the cause of this. Because as I can put my neck on the block, as me always do. Me sure no 99 never call Marcia Campbell name in anything she has said. She's not the, as somebody saying in my comment, why Chris not take up the argument? Chris is a frequent flyer and Chris not have no house. Why Chris never take up the argument? So why, if the woman come out here come say them a flyer and then not no house, why Marcia have to take it up? Where them a go say, oh, cause me know say Chris and have a friend so she would not show a word pan Chris. So Marcia is the only other person who fly who frequently who don't have a house? When the woman come out here and speak in general, wanna put it in a layman terms like say a uno she attack. You's not no frequent flyer woman. You fly 2 times come to Jamaica where you refuse when you could not fly. So you wouldn't be coming to Jamaica for your Christmas if you even not go fly. And for 3 years you have not fly. You're not a frequent flyer. Those are the days. Some of you ask what the reason for this. But when me summarize, when it have, as another subscriber also say, when it have your big job where you get what there, you cool off of the woman name. Because you make 1.5 million according to you. You understand? But all of a sudden now you lose that job because this now, whether it was a social media talk or street talk, say you lose the job. It make me confirm say you lose the job. Despite you already did say you left your job for a better job because you want to go your yard go sleep. After 2-3 weeks ago you say you love the job and a long time you want a job like this, and if the woman in a country ever make you lose your job, what will gonna happen if I even hope you and one bag of sitting all of a sudden in a quick flash of turnaround you lose the job and you are gonna come and say you leave the job because you get a better job where not really a better job paying wise, but you can't afford to go home and sleep. You don't have nowhere to go home and sleep, woman. So what kind of go home and sleep you talk about? You don't have nowhere to go home and sleep. Nowhere. So don't come tell nobody about go home, go sleep. When you don't have nowhere to go home, go sleep. You understand? You don't have nowhere to go home, go sleep. So the job we did have was just the right job. It pay you and provide somewhere for your sleep, as according to you where the pay is concerned. But this is how you stay. When you realize say you have been exposed, you come with all kind of excuse. And the excuse is so poor. The excuse is so poor. Anyway, people, as I say, I don't know we cause it, but it's just dana all of a sudden. Comparing the woman to this, compare the, I say the woman has all kind of something. She start off this video with a nasty way, but I just want to expose it so I prepare to make sure I not eat no food. I go to 10 seconds to put away on the food or lock off the video if you don't want to hear that part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because if you're a big old woman with a granny, the woman nasty no funny, nasty bad. Like a dana make you lose your work. What do you know boots boy, you work at boss boy, you work how much money you make. So all of a sudden now, you're going back on the woman name for no reason. The woman can't talk. Me sure no she not call the name when time you show you what you call name. Because you feel like you're big and broad. But because you value her, because she have value. You, she not value you. And you not have no value, so she don't need to call your name. Anything she put out there you want to take you up, you take you up.
I just have breakfast.
Listen now.
I eat some
she
fruit,
start
so
by the woman
you
country
know what I mean?
first.
Fruit, I eat breakfast.
At this right there, the woman country.
Because I always come out of my system. So I come to get dirty landlord at breakfast. And that I come to give you. See it here, come. You want it? See it here. Me just flush it down the toilet, you piece of shit. And me you have strength for. And me you have strength for me. I get straight to the point. Good morning, Freddy. And me have strength for you, not have strength for nobody else. It's only me have strength for come on social media cause. Eh? Look on your face. Or somebody blood it up a year or two ago. Eh? You should have come fast if you come get the pile of shit when me just don't shit in the toilet for you. And you may come for dirty girl. Landlord. Erica, the landlord known as Angela Merchant, and you may come for. Your boss you're picking them very ugly. Your son black, no blood clot and ugly like you. Your little Batman son, your little thief in scammer son. Where your son I do? I wish part in there? Nothing with no fucking thief. Your little thief in son. Anytime you post up my son picture, I post up yours.
Surprisingly, you come out here and cuss somebody about them son who you have no evidence of. But at the same time, people have evidence of your son being where you accuse other people son of as evidence to prove. Who you to?
I'm glad that people find them and dash them out. Anytime you post up my picture, me I
River
post up your
settings.
business. Right, this up.
Curly river settings. See,
Let
sir?
me tell you something like a pussy old dirty landlord. Me hear you over there talk
River
about say me have to
settings.
come and call people name to get party, promote party. Bitch, I pass over one page and see one dirty girl from Jamaica have headline with me picture. And when me go listen to the videotape, me hear her in there talk about my gala. And who follow me want follow people, make me come out and make that video last night.
Almost St. Thomas this.
Me no need no blood clot promotion from nobody. Because if me want, if I decide, if you see me I put up flyers, you hear me talk, I'm a matter of fact, I don't even think I want to do it public. I may. Ask Freddie if you think I lie, me I tell. Ask Freddie, see Freddie right here so. How much time Freddie I come to you and I say to you, say, I think I'm going to do my birthday invitation only. And you said, I know, said to me, say, no, Marcia, man, make something a fight.
But Marcia, how can you keep something when you're in need of money, you're in need of cash? Keep a party where it costs you, where you not have, and keep it for free. You go to Freddie with that intention, knowing that Freddie I go tell you, say, no. Doesn't make it look as if, oh, I wanted to keep it invitational only. But actually, some subscribers and some of my supporters said, no, make something a fight. You use that as the base of why you end up keep it this way. But this is the way you want to keep it from day one. But you just use your head. It's just like me know say, boy, the man there nah go tell me no. And I go over there and say, boy, I'm going to beg that man or something. I'm afraid him tell me no. Hear me tell that man, I'm afraid him tell me no, and I'm not like beg, you know. But you don't know within yourself if you beg the man, I'm going to tell you yes. And that you do. You go to Freddie, but if you do go to her, with the liar self, you know no money and broke and hungry and pauperizing and homeless and talk about keep party free and a rent big established place, according to you.
Me say to my sister Pennsylvania, my sister said no. Make something of it. Me say to how much time I come and I said to Freddie right so as a witness from how much a month now and so I said Freddie me have the money to pay for me things.
And you said this in the previous video when we doing it and it's that different video and you said the same thing. And every day you come out and come push people about them and repeat and nobody no repeat like
me
you.
Me not have to promote nothing. My party is paid for fully. The only thing that's not paid for is the DJ. And that's not nothing coming to think Ricky Gino so charge me the bag of money. Me even mentioned it to other supporters and them I said no. It make
at
people
99,
come. Try
water
to
just
get back
reach
some
our
money.
bottom this you know watch that.
Move your blood clot
She
from
get
here.
covered already.
Me
And
not
what
come
just
here.
alone
Me
a
not
walk.
make party to make money. Me make party
What
to
just
enjoy
alone a walk.
myself. Me not know
Okay, so then I want to go in, but she's afraid, you know, if the further the water reach her past her waist, you know, you're going to see her okay, water past waist now, you know.
They don't charge.
Water past waist and I go for show like she catch coward now, you know, over there so she want to go, you know.
Me not believe in that. Me not know what you talk about, so me make video, me come talk my truth. If you let the dirty pussy old girl with black about me and anybody else, listen, me now run down the back for come party. It could have all 1,000 people. If me have my people who care about me and been there for me to support me when me down, and them me want them. Even if me,
but who support you when you're down? One little less than a handful of people reach out to you with chicken feeding.
Well, is them and cousin and all them people. And you know people
And when
always
you're down
want me know to say
stress
they
last
want
year, we
all
don't
of
see
the
them.
pretty people fit on bridesmaid and maid of honor. Me not work like that. Me no work like that. You see, if who has been there for me, if them are 100 or
Last
1,000
year
year old
winter
and them
when
a stand up
stress
beside
had
me,
kill you, we
and
never
the
see
day
none
my
of them.
special day.
Never see none of them when
No
stress had
niece,
beat
no
your
nephew,
bad.
nobody not talk instead of me. If they weren't there for me, call me for my birthday, call me for Christmas and whatever. I am picking
And
signet
none of them
people
is
who
have
has
no
been
help to you.
there for
None of them
me.
is have no help to you.
So
Look on the struggles where you got through
come
last
talk
year.
about me have to do promotion because somebody want promotion herself. Cause no
Dana
matter how
time.
you keep something,
Dana time.
if she never need promotion, she will not come and talk about it. She would have just come one day and say, alright then me I keep something, everybody roll out, come buy a ticket. You see me I do nothing? Me so all me I could do, all me going to do is call the angel. I say the angel do advertisement for me and put out it. Me not even think so me want to make the money on the flyers.
So when the angel do that, you just go and play it one time and don't play it again. Eh? You're just going to come your live and you don't play it like how you did play it last year. Is that so? You playing it, no promotion. You're going like that and go a radio station and go all about and promote something or put out posters on the wall and all about. Eh? I wonder if when the angel do that, what you going to tell her if it do? If it's not going to be promotion, are you going to play it or are you just going to keep it for souvenir? You always want to size up
no flyers, nah,
people who out of your league.
Who want come? Me know who want come. Me know the people when me get in touch with behind closed door. Cause you don't understand me now. You don't understand this world is all about me. It's all about my joy and happiness. You must think you have
99 finally reach up at the fall, but you not climb it yet.
You think some know
say alright, that's all.
People
she not climb it yet. I mean, I think you go on climb it.
People think say, it no matter how not talk about me and talk about homeless. People know say Marcy are good to go. People are not ass idiot. So people know people when them
Paula, they have beach and watch Paula. Paula in a whole heap of clothes like a church in the Brabra. Lord me Jesus. Watch Paula. Paula now left herself uncovered, you know. Watch Paula. Yes, Paula, splash up, dash up. Yes, Paula. Watch Paula in her green. Whoa, dip, Paula, dip. Dip and go down, Paula, dip and go down. Dip and go down, Paula, dip and... The amount of clothes, Paula, you know. Watch it, Paula. Look like she now a full body suit, gurgle, panty, overall, everything. Think Paula left skin loose, you must be mad. Not even see lice or see ticks. Nothing can touch Paula body. You must be mad. Me? Yeah, man. I know some out of St. Thomas. They come. I see some people go there already. How many minutes go there already? I see one entertainer go there already. I know some out of St. Thomas. When I go to the river, you have to cook some food. Because what if a land space there? Where you can set up your stove, and the river have a pathway low where you can put on the stove in the water and cook. Yeah. Feel like when I go to the river here one at a time. I mean, I'm live with a St. Thomas, and I can find the river here and go out there one day, go cook. I yesterday I'm burying son, you know. I make him find the river here. Anyway, back to regular programming.
So she can come talk about and I make video. You need to go get a life. That's what you need to do. You need to get a life. All you can do, the people who are the woman from Barbados for your trouble. That the woman they fix you. Other people over there fix you and all come and repeat the same thing. And me have strength for that's all you can talk about homeless and stagnant. You homeless because you can't afford the house we have. You can't afford it. You might as well consider homeless because you can't afford it. If YouTube stop pay you, you come here and you'd have ball and beg. Just like your Batman son, your ugly son, black and crusty like the mama. Look how you ugly like you. Look for your big fat sour daughter, but me never think you pick them in pretty. Eh?
One Natalie a ball out Paula name. Paula busy.
How much years old them the girl was now? Can you imagine how them big and sour ugly like a rascal like daddy? Then you come and call me shape by the knock and something, and you're picking them about 3 times my size.
So people, Them finally release pictures. Them picture they out there long time still. Cause I did see them one time too. Yeah, man, you see them one time. The picture they out there long time. So I don't know how she always a cry for pictures. So you say you know no support base. Because if these pictures are out there these pictures out there for over some 2 years or a year and had now them a picture out there. Them a picture out there from last year and probably them out there before. So all you just get them and you always a call for picture, you time to get picture or pick them and way. You say this proof to you say you know no support base. Look on the picture them where you get. Are there some fresh pictures where you can say yes? These pictures are stale picture, you always there behind time. And why you always there behind time? You don't have no support base. So you don't have nobody out there where you go see certain things and carry it come show you where you can have it at your defense. You understand? And then you're going like say you have people out there support you. They not support you, man. And that's a laugh off for you. All picture them you have come them out a long time. Everybody see them.
You can't talk
Anybody
about me when you're picking them is about 4 size me. When people are course people pick me and of course people, you know, for a pick they must be good looking and look like a blood clot runway model. Look how she look like a blood clot elephant. Eh? Use what? Use who for name and call. Then nobody fit people name to call she.
She has somebody over you.
Then what you think?
No question sign no they over that.
Fear name and nobody fit call for advertise. Me see something yesterday me come out and I debate talk about it. When she crying and I pray. Not a ras prayer in there, I say what I have to say.
She has somebody why you have to pick up her problem and her trials and tribulation where you claim to say she have and talk about it. So she has somebody for you.
I have my money,
that's
can
for
call
sure.
New York City and call radio station and put up my things them on it. I don't have to advertise on Facebook. Because I New York City me I keep. So
you come like the scammer them, you capper. You have this, you can't do this, you have that, you can't do this. You don't have nothing at all.
Is to call Jimmy Starkey them put them on them page.
And why ever you say you got silent and go see the amount of pieces come out. Not even that you not having a you. Not even pieces you not having a you for
my friend them know some Yaki party. The Facebook people them know and the YouTube people them know some Yaki it.
Them did know last year too.
No girl name to call to keep nothing.
Them did know last year.
Your man, John Gotti, and go suck your boy pitney where you have. The ugly boy, how you name? And go suck out your 2 big fat sour girl them. I don't figure don't call me name up, me ain't a corpse. Dirty stinking landlord Erica. Me ain't a corpse. Me not afraid of you. Thief, old scammer. Walk around a thief, me content, thief in dirty pussy old girl. Use a thief. Use a bomb blood clot thief.
Mother of a thief calling somebody
said
thief.
It's against the law. Use a thief. That's why
YouTube say you stop the life on YouTube, but YouTube says it's against the law. Stop the life on YouTube. Mother of a thief calling, mother of a known thief calling someone a thief.
So when you call my son a thief, use a blood clot thief too. What difference does it make? You know, walk on a thief my content.
Two. Yeah, just of the argument now.
If it was right for you to share it as free as your blood clot is, why the bomber clot? YouTube have rules and regulation. Why does YouTube take down a bomber clot page?
Why does YouTube take down a page? Why does YouTube have rules and regulation? Why does you don't read with understanding? Why does you don't have any education? Why does you can't comprehend? Why does you don't understand when you see things and read it or count it? Because basically you tell life on YouTube. You are tell life on YouTube. Because you don't have no understanding, you can't comprehend. Or so not tell a life on YouTube.
And take away, demonetize, you know. If it wasn't a blood clot thief, use a pussy clot thief, bitch. Use a thief. You walk around and thief people content.
So if so be the case, why you not take down the page then? Eh? I saw YouTube
You
not pay
can't,
you no mind.
you're not different
Take down
from
the
no
page then, no.
thief out here.
Come on.
You is a blood
There,
clot
move and
thief.
stop the talk.
Anyone who know we play my video without authorization, who know is a blood clot thief. That's why you can't look no better. So come tell me now if you wasn't a blood clot thief. Thief, what you trying to say? If you have rights to use it, how the blood clot you have to hide? How you have to chat in it and zigzag it up and play a video from last.
Why you can't come and expose yourself, so? Oh, you mean if you have rights to play it, why you have to chop it up and chat in it, so? You know, just say YouTube have rules and regulation. You see, you just approve me right away, say you're not reading the rules and regulation and guidelines of YouTube. Because you wouldn't be coming out here exposing yourself to be illiterate. Eh? Why you come out here expose yourself to be illiterate? You see, you just confirm when I say you can't comprehend, you don't have no understanding in reading. People do what they have to do where the guideline is concerned. But you want YouTube to do things to fit you. You understand? That's what you want, you know. YouTube to come out here and change the rules and guidelines to suit you. And only suit you when things are against you. But on the flip side, the same thing is against you. You come out here and you want them flip back the guideline and you come do the same thing against people. Make it make sense now? So the guideline of YouTube for keep flapping to suit you. When it's against you, then flip it. And when you are the person who are going to flip the side where you want them flip it back for you. Who you to?
Last week, 10 years ago, or whatever. Play it straight now, bitch. And see if you get no blood clot money to pay your bills. How does you survive? You can't survive without me and the other rest of content creator them out here. Because you can't come up with your brain fry up. You don't have, your brain is like a blood clot egg. If I know Siri and Google, you don't know shit. If I know your supporters, them are Google things and I tell you don't know nothing.
But man, so you know so much.
And
you still not
with a mind.
better
you
yourself?
Your mind or your mind turn.
No, sir.
Eh? You don't see your mind stay, you come up with all kind of fuckery.
If you know all them something that can help people and you're not use it to help yourself.
What kind of life you living? Eh? Sit down in a one whore in a house where you sell pussy and buy. You call that house, you will never have peace. What kind of characteristic? Eh? What kind of certificate you have, Erica, in your life? Yeah. More than selling crutch. You're not even a good worker. You never worked into a brothel before. So I like say use a street whore and I like say a good one them. We're being hired by a pimp or whatever. Use a hustler whore. A whore will always be a whore. You talk about pan something, boy, you have good pussy. If you have good pussy, you fuck smart man. Eh? And you have to start to use your mouth. You know, see your mouth lean. You know, see the amount of how your mouth spoil.
I should talk about mouth, me I show YouTube.
Anybody want to boast about me with no house, boy. You have to work hard. No sell pussy girl can't boast about me about no house. No, you can't boast about me no work. You have to work 9 to 5, bitch. You can't boast about me with no work. No work can't boast from you out here. Your house condemned. Just like your blood clot hole. Condemned.
I should talk about mouth, you know, me I show it to YouTube and she post something in our community.
The Bible condemn
with the same person.
The Bible says woman go and sin no more. That's why you have a restless blood clot night. You can't sleep. As you lay with me every night, I try to live off of my joy and happiness. Me sleep good at night time. Me work. Me do my little nursing job and me work. Me never have to sell my pussy yet to pay bills. Me work. Erica the landlord, me work and me pay my taxes.
Yeah. Me there.
Taxes come out of my money.
Me there.
In the next 2 weeks, me will file my taxes. For this out, for me work what me I do and my business. Me work and me know me I get back one good look of change. Me working. Me not out here as me wanna mash up my business and God give me a little job and me working. And me get my money. My money was deposited this morning at 9 a.m. Tomorrow it will be cleared by 9 a.m. So when you
24
broke during the
hours.
week, me not broke. Can me get paid on a Monday. Me work 7 days a week. So me can't broke.
You work 7 days a week? So, how that job is better than the first job where you get? Where you did have? Me not understand. How that job is better? The first job, you could have work when you feel like, so you say you go work when you feel like, so you say, you know, you get 1.5 million equivalent Jamaican dollar. You get a place to sleep, free washing machine, free light where you can turn on, which by you they know you can't turn on a light because you know stay good. So I understand how that work you better off. When you get so much privilege, I the one where you get 1.5 million. No sir. Whoa. Oh 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 oh. Man say you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. Lie, you lie, you lie, lie.
During the week, my bills will be paid. So you can't talk to me.
Man say you just make up story if you look big.
And none of a blood clot out there, just few of us, make the amount of money that I make as a home care worker. Or as you call yourself, a companion. So me not have to sit down here and talk. So don't come tell me no blood clot about that's why my party is paid for. So me not have to come out here fuss and worry. As long as I'm
all
in
of
that
a sudden
building
this
and the people who care about me come, I don't have to worry. Because if I feel like,
why
I
this
may come out
party
here and say
thing just
invitation
becomes a
only.
topic? Party.
As much as the place will change the city people
please.
and it's a banquet hall, I may even come out here and say invitation only. Just to show you motherfuckers that this is not about a money-making business.
And you
I
were
am just
thinking
trying to
and
bring
keeping
joy and
it
happiness in people's
invitational
life.
only. I remember now,
And
and
bring
like you
something
have
classy
50 somebody solid where
where
you
people
can
can
invite
come
and
out
them
and
come.
look nice and pretty and enjoy themselves
Why
instead
would
of
I
wearing
rent
the
a
same
hall?
outfit them all the while.
350
Then me
person
take them back,
and last
way
50
back in
somebody
time
night. Why?
when women
That the
were
party
looking
that
like
can
real
nice.
woman.
Because like you can't tell people gather in
And
a
have
one little
fun.
bungle
That is
to
what my
enjoy
party
yourself.
is all
People go
about.
spread
So
out
me
which part
no
they want to
need
spread out and feel
nobody name
comfortable.
for call.
And that can't bring no energy
Cause
in
me
the
wouldn't call
party.
a bitch the name there unless you can drop out for me. When me gone to Jamaica and go take plane and she come and drop out for me, say some people a take plane and them not have nowhere to live and see me in my house
Sure
and I
no
walk
is
out
a
with
bigger
camera.
than
Me
the
never see the
woman.
video, but
You
people
is
call
a
me and
bigger
tell
big
me. And if it wasn't true,
itch
so much
me
people
skin
would call me
itch
and
me
tell me.
than the
I mean,
woman.
no say I'm me, she talk and nobody, now the blogger not take no plane in a 5 days time. A 2 time me take plane and go yard in a 5 days time. A 2 trip me making less in 5 days time. Me think say let me now stop me at the airport.
Are you
But they
American
never even
citizen?
ask me one last question. I go up and give me passport. Them
Are you
stamp it and say I
American
have a good
citizen?
James Campbell. That's it. And me just go down with my pulley and go up and pack my little something and pulley and go about my business. So I me share talk as no other blogger never fly down. And nobody up here now.
And she don't call the name and it burn you. But when you call the woman name and the woman come out here and still not call the name and show shades, you take offense to it. Why? Eh? Why? How much say you come out here come call the woman name for no reason at all? And every time the woman come out here you have a problem.
Call about the homeless but more me.
Promote your
And
party,
the
man.
first
You
share
promote
do
your
it. That's why
party.
me come out and me make
All
sure
you
say
want
me
to do, you
speak
can't
my
stop
mind.
99 party.
And let
Promote
her
your
know,
party.
say me hear
Promote
her
your
and
party.
put her in a
All you want to do,
blood
you
clot
can't stop
place.
99 party.
And who don't
99
like it,
supporters
come
are not
bite
your
it.
supporters.
If you
And
don't like
your
the statement
supporters
that
are
I
not
made,
99 supporters.
come
And you
beat
don't
me.
got no supporters. Remember that.
Because I call her name for months. So she should not debate on me going to Jamaica 2 times in a week. Because me working and a YouTube money is none of our money. Me and a sister. Me a big blood clot woman, 51 years old. Me not catch a blood clot ghetto mansion. And me not...
So you know all of that. So why you make fear business be your business? You're not a sister. She not spend your money, you not spend fear money. So why you always make fear business be your business? Eh? Why? The woman a ball, a fear tears of joy. Not sorrow like you. You know much time you depend on social media when I want drop the tears and afraid? You know how much time? You come off of your life and your stomach tight up on you because you don't release the tears. Your throat dry because you don't release the tears. And your tears of sorrow. Your tears of destruction all the way you go on without you and carry down and call down things from people. And they turn you on back and hit you. So if the woman in her house comfortably cry for joy, and you come out and come talk about it, who is you? You know more than nobody, man. All the people up at Arms House and Mona Rehab better off than you. Because all of them are under permanent shelter. And the organization, whether government or private organization, can't put them out just so. Okay, if there's no family to receive them, I can think so much people that hospital all know supposed to come out because them get discharged, but what? There is nobody to receive them and them can't put them out. So it coming like hospital coming like them permanent resident. All them better off than you. Because you not live nowhere permanent. At any given time you can get put out from where you're there. And all of the come on social media come play this big tapanaris when it is evident. Name me one tapanaris where you know when not have a house to themselves. If I have one room with a bathroom and kitchen and toilet. Name me a celebrity. Because you classify yourself as a celebrity. You name me one celebrity that you know or the public know. Because you can't come name me somebody who nobody know. An unknown person. Name me one prominent celebrity where you don't know have a house. And a celebrity status you want, you know. But you don't want a house. So how the hell you want celebrity status without having a house? You name that. Tell me that now how you work out that. You know, see a mansion the celebrity them have, not house. Mansion. Oh, sorry. You know, see say a mansions. Mansions. The celebrity them have, not house. And you self-proclaim celebrity no want no house. You know, say you idiot. All of these cap, yap, chat. Cause you have your
catch her yard with her people them in Florida or wherever she live. Go and come. So she not in a no jurisdiction or whatever for comment by my situation because me a travel before that bitch. Me a travel from here 16 years old. When me a travel she a sell clothes and clip and bubbles a market. When me a take plane.
Come on, don't highlight that. Don't shame yourself. Don't shame yourself. Because are you highlighting that you're not embarrass yourself?
You understand? So she not have
because
no
look
rights.
at her now. Just look at her now.
So she shouldn't
look
have
at Donna go now.
Want to hear
with
my
all
mouth.
the way you
She shouldn't
highlight.
come and make no comments
I
after
remember
me,
where she
Marcia
walked from.
traveling
To
all
put
my
herself
life.
in a that.
Going to Jamaica, going on cruises, and having a wonderful time until I came to Connecticut. And my business went down the drain, and I can't get to travel as often as possible. So Una not talk about that.
No.
Una went and gave her the praises and talk about me. But nobody saw that she was wrong.
4x4 Exodus.
Marcia in a trouble.
Bounty kill up on the borderline.
Marcia money, she do what she want. She a big blood clot woman, free and single and disengaged. So she entitled to go anywhere she want to go. Marcia we have not seen Marcia traveling over 3 years. Marcia been through a lot with cussing and all kind of discrimination. So she deserve a little vacation.
Not in Jamaica. You did refuse coming to Jamaica. So why choose
holiday.
Jamaica?
And I went to support
you
my
want
cousin
to go to Paris and all those big places.
Because
why choose
Jamaica?
Jamaica?
I went to Jamaica and make sure I full up my car trunk with coconut jelly.
Oh, you're coming so you can't get freeness. Okay.
So I make the party. He's supposed
free
to call
mentality.
my mother auntie.
That you are free so you can end up coming.
My mother, a sister and brother. As his two sisters have same father and same mother. And him always make sure so when everybody know me go Jamaica, me stop and say, Wesley, me have my car trunk with coconut jelly full up. Other people all inherited when my car got town. So it was my obligations to go there and visit him. Then when I heard that my good friend over 20 years son passed, and I know the son, me know him from him about 5-6 years old. When me go to Jamaica sometime and pick me up from airport, me know them very well and close. So me never don't hear say my friend one son pass and me never support him.
Alright. With all that said, on the hear she say, she know this youth from him a 6-year-old and him pass. And him and her mother is friend for over 20 years. If it pass me, people wanna tell me. Marcia has her one son. Her one son is incarcerated. Oh, sorry, that detention center. Him not that jail, him not that prison, that detention center. That's a pretty and a nice way to say it. Yes, I'm talking about Marcia's son, him that detention center. That one son has her pretty grandson, Romy. Not trying to bring her son into this, but just based on what she just said, the effort that she has put out to come back to Jamaica in 2 to 3, 5 days just to come at this funeral. Remember now, this guy did not just pass immediately after she leave, because he couldn't bury so quick. So how you there Jamaica, and now when you reach up back, you hear said this gentleman pass and I got buried. Make it make sense. Anyway, says she know from Jamaica, but she'd have to fly up back because she did have to go back up because she have her work, so she couldn't stay for the funeral. It happened that she go back up and she hears her service terminated. So she just make a about turn and come back to Jamaica. Because it's going to be a plus for her. Something she can come and talk about that she has visited Jamaica in 5 days, 2 times. When we know the reason why you end up come back because you lose a job. Anyway, why that same effort never put in to go? Alright, say you said them say no visiting, just phone calls, no visiting for your son. But why all that effort after your son that behind bars never put for your grandson? You find it hard to fly to South or North Carolina to visit your grandson, or whichever part him there. Whether drive or fly. Cross-state flight would be far cheaper than coming to Jamaica. And that same effort for the whole Christmas and from your son is behind bars has not put out for your beloved grandson. But you put that effort out to come back for a friend of 20 years son that has been passed away. And that son has been passed away while you're in Jamaica or before you even reach Jamaica. So there must be funeral arrangement before you leave here for the first purpose why you come here. Fly up back because you have work to go. Greeted with the surprise. Your service has been terminated, so you come back. But me I say, why not the same effort? No, since your son that behind bars, you have not visited your grandson. Christmas come, you have not visited your grandson. But you see the effort you put to come back at Jamaica funeral. I don't know. And then you sit down on the phone and tell Dana what to do. See Dana and her son that river St. Thomas there. You understand? Oh. Where you and your grandson there? When last you see your grandson eye to eye? You gotta say you talk to him every day. When last you see your grandson eye to eye? You find so much interest in flying come to Jamaica for a funeral of a friend for 20 years. But you can't take a cross-state flight to go look for your grandson. Big Christmas or drive because there's too much driving.
Money is nothing to me. Because we not see them the people again. Money can't make again. So if me have the time and me have the money and me want to catch the plane 1 second time in a few days and go to Jamaica,
catch one and go cross state, go check your grandson.
If you come and drop out for me, she ever hear say me homeless yet?
What time you come throw out for no man? Of course you're homeless.
So when you have somewhere where you live and you have shelter over your head, so just because say you don't have a house, that means say when she had drop her out,
you're not always stable. Then? You're homeless. You don't have to own somewhere for homeless. It don't mean because you don't own a house, you're homeless. Because everybody couldn't able to own a house. But you're behaving a phone and how you praise America and how you're in America for 40 years and what you have achieved and the lifestyle that you have lived and you're a celebrity. You should have owned a house. But that don't mean somebody will pay rent homeless. But at the same time, the person will pay the rent. Have a stable place over them head. You don't have nowhere stable over your head. No, we're stable. Your box around like scandal bag of blow downtown. Every wind blow up downtown and the scandal bag them. Every little light piece of rubbish just a blow up in the air. I saw you blow around and a box around. You don't have nowhere stable where you live. Which part you live right now is a reserve area for any time you can't live the lavish lifestyle. You run go there. And as soon as we know say a day there, your light can't turn on. And as soon as you go anywhere else, your light can't turn on no matter what hours of the night. Last night after 2, this woman dey on phone. On live. Cause more than like you know me not drop asleep till like 3-4 o'clock. Cause them time I get to really dey on social media cause daytime and morning time I know me. And when me look, the woman dey on live after 2. Jesus Christ.
What this bitch is saying and the other rest of bitches them on social media
you passed that the status the long time.
Have a house
so at least these people you call that is above you. Same way. But you're below that.
That them are saying, so I want to put this in perspective right here, you know, and use it, you know. All who know she attack, you know, and the rest of bloggers them, you know. And
that's all you try to do.
If you don't have.
That's all you try to do. You set up people over the side there. When the woman talk, you try to get, like you try to go in at the people, the woman supporters head and people in general, them head, to come against the woman for her statement which she make. But guess what me now? Over there so alone is on a bright dunce. And an understanding and can't articulate. Me coming out here come and talk about one woman who do a big titty reach down here so. Me have people who support my channel. We might have big titty we reach down here so. But them know down them head and them me attack. As them say cuss, not bring good words. So if me a hear cuss and you tell me things and me a cuss, me a go tell you things. How much time you have to come I mean I talk to the people them we support me, you know. Me I talk to little dirty people them this against me. Because you know what you're telling me, she or he, you have people who support you who are probably in the same category. Who might have relative and family who are suffer from the same type of illness where you cuss people about. So you try to make it clear. So it's just the same thing. The woman come out here attack, she not attack in general to not special individual. You understand? More than if you molest the woman and you cock, she come tell you about your cockeye. That no mean say 5-6 are supporter we have cockeye, she had cuss them about her them cockeye. She had cuss you about your cockeye. So don't come twist it, but that simply means she attack on it too, you know. We all understand everybody cannot buy a house, as I just said. So the woman is not talking people who live somewhere, pay rent legally. Unlike you just have a little catch-up place. You know, like when you have the shelter them downtown. So if you don't live nowhere, you can run go see if you get a space down there. With a bed there or not, you're sleeping in the walkway or somewhere. I saw you live right now. I dare you to turn on your light. Which part you there right now I do your life. But them not ask if you tour your place. Because y'all are worried about the woman that tour out her house and show her house. Because you can't tour nowhere. Which part you live at Woodland Village, you can't tour it, you know. Right now the little place where it just cluster up. All kind of sitting just cluster, everything just cluster up so. You can't show your kitchen, you can't show your bathroom. When you go upstairs and say you have upstairs, you can't show upstairs, just right there so you can't show. No, you can't show nowhere at all. So you're jealous of the woman who walk where move from one story with no window according to Uno to many windows and 3 story. Proud herself and her achievement where she come long after Uno as according to Uno. And she come achieve what she have and proud of what she have because she never farm fool herself and make the little money where she make turn her in an idiot and she don't set herself in her life to be comfortable. So if come tomorrow morning she can't make another dollar and she can't afford to work, she can have comfort and peace in her life and 2 shillings to go and spend while her 2 daughters and her 2 sons them can go and provide food. And like you're not in that position. Right now, arms house and rat and roach infested place you're going to end up in. And that's why you're jealous after the woman that go pass uno count sound there before her. Every day when you come and talk which part she come from, but you never talk which part she did there before she reach where uno talk about she come from. And walk away from it. How much you know that walk away from it without forced to walk away from it? But what? You want to see life for yourself. You want to feel how life feel. You want to make your own money where you don't have to ask nobody if you can do this or if you can do that. Or wait on anybody to give you anything. You're going to make your own. And to the woman surpass on just have all kind of jealousness to the woman and grudge.
A piece of paper when you go in a bank. Go take out 130 year mortgage. Who no homeless? If you no rent in a place. So I hope when time when I sit down and laugh off of me. I hope
they
when
will
I
all
sit
the
down
way
and
just
laugh
they will
off of me.
continue to laugh off of you. Because we just say no make sense.
Say all I wanna out there. We depend them pay to support them and I give them $20, $30 money and I carry come give them. I hope you know say them a talk out you too.
You look company.
I hope you know say them the
You
blood clot
alone
statement they go for you too. Because me
Shalam,
have someone
come
me
down
for,
now.
and me
You
work
know
which
Master
me want
Kakai
work, and
can
me
but we
living,
come
and
down
me
now.
have a roof over my head.
Shalam, come down. Shut it
And
up.
me much happier than them and
You know,
stress
say,
free
calm
more
down.
than them. So
Calm
just
down
to
now.
make it clear, she's talking
Come
about
down
you
now.
too.
Kakai Campbell, come
Anybody
down
we don't
now.
have a house.
Kakai Curly, if you
According
come
to
down
Donna and
now.
Erica, we're homeless.
Come down now.
Because of the only thing I don't have, going to one bank and take out one
They
mortgage.
can't put nothing on the people they made.
That's the only thing I don't have. How the fuck you going to call me homeless?
You are.
And where she have in a fair house, and where she see me in a family one. She not have in a fair house more than home goods and Burlington
Yeah, and you have the same thing, but you have it in a
then
storage.
what
A storage
you
you
kidding
live.
me?
You
What
have
you
yours,
mean?
but a storage you live. Because
What you
storage
trying
here
to-
one
what
day
you
now.
trying to say?
She have found in her house. So when you are trying to say.
Batman against me. Oh, so she will take plane. And go to Jamaica every 3 months and every 2 months and because she have a house and she have
just
a,
get
and she
green
have a
card
work
and
for
she fly
YouTube.
come at
Well, me
Jamaica.
not work for YouTube,
Fly
me
go
not
to
work
Canada
for myself.
in less than 3 weeks after she just come a foreign.
Me
That
not
about
working
you,
for
man.
YouTube. I am working for myself.
Lifestyle
So
moment.
anyone who not blood clot I work for YouTube. Me not work for YouTube. Me just come over here and do little contents. And
You
if
must
they
do
want
none
to give
at
me 2
all.
little shilling, they give me 2 little shilling.
What about your new page?
But me
You
not
stop
work.
go over there go do live. Right now pay you.
For YouTube. Me not work for YouTube. I am working for myself. YouTube
You
can't
stop
pay
the
me.
live on your backup page
Because
right
me
now
not work for
pay
5
you.
cents and 10 cents an hour.
Desperately need the money.
You understand? Me not work for that. Me work $35 an hour. Me not work for blood clot 5 cents and 10 cents an hour. I work $35 an hour.
So if you know work for 5 cents and 10 cents an hour, because basically as me always say, you judge off of where you earn because you no supporters. You feel like it's the same earning everybody I get off of them platform. But no you see one come out here come say you not get nothing much but you make $1, $6, $7, $800. Which me no a lie you tell, because you now do no content to generate so much money. Plus you don't have no strong support base for you watch your ads them. For you can accumulate so much money. So me know that a lie. But if you now work for 5 cents and 10 cents and a $35 hour your worker pay you, you come out here and say, okay, you're going to build a new page to do some positive things. And you can't stay upon that new page and build it because you're not depending on social media, Facebook or YouTube money. Why couldn't you stay on that page and build that page? You have to come back over here so we are the big page. I build a page, it's not about money, according to you, And a 5 cents and 10 cents over here. So if I just a page you want to build, to come out here, come preach positivity, preach the Bible and preach the gospel, you should stay over there, you shouldn't come back over here, so. When last you go up on your new page? From me see the shrimp them cock up in my face, so me not see nothing more. The shrimp them where you say you cook how much weeks now. I know you're not going to work on your page. On that page. But you're talking about people that earn 5 cents and 10 cents and you're not running down that at $35. So why you over here? You should over on that page and continue build it.
Me don't work 5 cents and 10 cents, so me blood clot now work for YouTube. Because YouTube cannot pay me. Me now go sit down and wait for 1 month to get to little change. YouTube cannot pay my bills. It can't pay a phone, I can't live in a third world country. So when I get the calculation, YouTube cannot pay my bills because I not make contents and I not have the followers them.
Most of
So
the
me not
YouTuber
coming
them
up here
make a
can work for 5
Jamaica
cents and 10 cents.
can pay your rent for 2
This is
weeks,
just a little
2 months,
extra
and left change.
hobby.
Most of the YouTuber them are Jamaica.
I mean, was out here doing it
I
long
know
time
you
without
want to know the
getting
people
paid.
them business.
Me
Where?
just start get paid last year, a year and a half now.
No, you want to know the people them business. Enough of the YouTuber
So
them out here earn more than what you are earn. They are talking about third world country and the equivalent of the dollar and where.
Dollars an hour. Me is a nursing companion. Me do private work. Me no work for small blood clot change. So none of the dirty pussy will
Look
can't
at what
talk
talk
to me
when
no
work for
time
years and just reaching a circumstances where she have to beg work and beg people for look work for you. You come and talk about you know work for small change. You did say you know what none at all. Because you know work for no cheap money.
According to no support I wanna follow. So any blood clot one I wanna we are follow Erica landlord or any one of them done that we are drop wood on people. I wanna don't have a house title. Who know in the equation too?
No, you look company.
And who know them attack too?
Homeless is homeless.
And me alone them attack.
You don't have to be a
Me alone
homeowner.
don't have a house title. You know how much people around here we have them big job and them don't have a house
Homeless
title.
different.
You know how much doctors and big nurses.
You living somewhere paying rent or leasing somewhere, not because you're not the homeowner, you're homeless. No, where?
When you work for people and white people and work for some people and them working all them nursing home and them in them assistant living and paying up them big blood clot house. With them have them house, them a sell house.
Anyway, people, me not gonna further into this. But me don't know if you can help me tell me where this for. Cause me no feel like a promotion. She just start to feel the pressure of losing that work and realize that she have to go right back to where she did abandoned. She not have to come out here come beg nobody for buy no sheet no more. God bless her. More than her good people them want something them rare. We hear she come out here and beg people for buy sheet. She start promote sheet again. She not have to come on YouTube. She right back on YouTube again. The woman event that come up, she have one after. She start feel this thing of the support of that woman and looking ahead, say, fear will not even ever be as half as good as that woman based on the past 2 events. So all these things are trigger corruption, bad mind, grudgeful and hate what she have for people. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You don't know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. And go over favorite it and hit TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy. It come down now to 24 subscribers. Just continue to work it down. I can't do no better. I have to just wait pound, but I gotta just continue. Beg you know to subscribe until she reach 1,000. Alright? And then she work on her watch hours by giving her content to watch, because without content, the watch hour can't come. Me can't ball for watch hour. Because watch hour come by giving you content, but me can't ball for no subscribe, because that's something one can just do. Subscribe. Alright? And remember the cash app is here, $ Charms and Chen. Give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. And go support Charms and Trends on Instagram, charms_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see there, you can get it customized. Just go in at the DM and you get, for further information, quick you get a customer service respond to you. Or anything you see there and you want it immediately, you can just go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Peace out. Sooner in the next video. I'm out.